The routing and delay tab is split into two halves. The top half shows the signal processing chain from input to output, including the routing that has been selected. Input and output muting can also be directly edited from here. Gain, gate, EQ and limiter functions act as a hyperlink to take you directly to the tabs on which those functions are found. The bottom half of the window shows the routing, delay and polarity for all input and output channels. Inputs A and B can be routed to any output by clicking on the square of the routing matrix. In addition, each routing matrix node can be attenuated by up to 30 dB. This is useful for systems where both inputs are routed to one output. There would naturally be a summation and therefore an increase in level. This can be compensated for by adding some attenuation. Attenuation can either be stepped up or down in 1 dB increments using the up-down arrows, or specific figures can be typed directly into the box. Delay can be added to either inputs or outputs. The box in the bottom left of the window allows the delay units to be changed from the default milliseconds to distance in either meters for territories using metric measurements or feet for areas using imperial. Precise figures can be directly typed into the box, and there are fine and coarse arrows to increase or decrease the amount of delay. Fine, which is the single left and right arrows, increases or decreases in steps of approximately 20 microseconds. Coarse, which is the double left and right arrows, will change in 1 millisecond steps. Polarity inverts the signal, essentially adding a 180-degree phase shift, and is indicated by the polarity button turning green.